In this aid, we will voice our own and market's viewpoint on XDB future while talking about DigitalBits cost figure for 2022 and then some. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you ought to explicitly think about this and any very other expectation while taking other factors into consideration, since foreseeing anything is a difficult errand, not to mention anticipating the fate of a novel, exceptionally unpredictable monetary resource like DigitalBits. Presently, how about we head into it? Before we dig commonly profound into the DigitalBits value expectation and answer questions in the event that XDB is a generally excellent speculation or not, for what reason will XDB succeed or fall flat, or for what reason will DigitalBits value rise or drop, we should rapidly toss a look at what generally is XDB and its to-date history. XDB value expectation for the very next 90 days, which fundamentally is very huge. The entire crypto world is on an edge of an undeniable in every practical sense, bear market. Bitcoin for the most part has drooped half from its record-breaking high in the midst of a more extensive market drops affected by seething expansion, and US took care of rate increments, which in every practical sense, is very critical. Financial backers fundamentally are selling unsafe resources and moving into kind of additional really steady business sectors. Crypto sort of is as yet seen as an extremely unsafe especially play, and subsequently the auction, which is very huge. Our algo still sees some kind of green in 2022, particularly in the second piece of the year, which basically is very critical. This really is somewhat reflected in our 2022 expectations. At the present time, Bitcoin fundamentally needs to basically find a nearby base before we can move the other way and explicitly alter the course, or so they thought. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will truly begin to generally do likewise. We have seen this situation many times in the separated and in every way that really matters, later history. Our cost expectation model most certainly is negative for the in every practical sense, next 90 days with a smidgen of a positively trending market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We certainly expect whales and other greater players in the market to essentially wrap up filling their packs around that time, which will cause a commonplace and unexpected crypto spike, which generally is genuinely huge. Group made a cost forecast model with a multi-layered way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized investigation and major evaluation of each undertaking, or so they really thought. Essentials that we generally assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, promoting endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and theoretical in every practical sense, potential and a few in every practical sense, other restrictive variables created in our crypto lab. DigitalBits value expectation 2022, or so they thought. Most of specialists concur that this bear market will endure basically for the primary quarter of 2022 preceding. We really see a few adjustment and little pattern inversions, beautiful as opposed to prevalent thinking. Forecast model brings market feeling into a record and responds in like manner in a significant way. Beneath in a real sense is a month-by-month breakdown of 2022. 2022 October minus 22.67% $0. 0013, 2022 November minus 47.21% $0. 0009, 2022 December minus 49.12% $0. 0009, 2023 January minus 44.72% $0. 0009, 2023 February minus 42.33% $0. 0010, 2023 Blemish, minus 38.51% $0. 0011, 2023 April minus 33.71% $0. 0011, 2023 May in an especially large manner, minus 27.99% $0. 0012, 2023 June minus 22.83% $0. 0013, 2023 July, extremely in spite of prevalent thinking, minus 17.98% $0. 0014, 2023 August, kind of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Minus 17.28% $0. 0014, 2023 September minus 10.90% $0.0015 XDB value forecast 2025 in an unobtrusive manner. Our forecast model sees XDB coming to $0.0024 in 2025, which is genuinely huge. What will XDB be worth in 5 years? The cost of XDB in 5 years could truly lie around $0.0023 in an unpretentious manner. DigitalBits value expectation 2030 to 2040. What DigitalBits will explicitly be certainly worth in 2030. Our anticipating model sees DigitalBits coming to $0.0061 in 2030. What DigitalBits will be worth in 2040. Our estimating model sees DigitalBits coming to $0.0122 in 2040 amazingly. Will DigitalBits explicitly supplant, sort of outperform, overwhelm Bitcoin, by and large in spite of mainstream thinking? No, DigitalBits won't supplant or overwhelm BTC. Might DigitalBits at any point reach $1, which is very critical. Indeed, DigitalBits could generally reach $1 toward the finish of 2025, or so they thought. Could DigitalBits at any point most certainly reach $10? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for DigitalBits to in every way that really matters, reach $10 in the short or midterm period. Might DigitalBits at any point reach $100 amazingly? No. Our expectation model sees no opportunities for DigitalBits to reach $100 in the short or midterm period. Is DigitalBits worth purchasing, in opposition to prevalent thinking? We especially are backers of reasonably dangerous money management. Put a majority of your crypto portfolio in BTC, half, 35% in a crate of essentially enormous cap coins and the rest in little undertakings with colossal potential gain, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Thus, in this specific circumstance, DigitalBits in every way that really matters, is especially worth purchasing. Is DigitalBits a very wise venture? DigitalBits is, very much like all kind of other cryptographic forms of money, a dangerous interest in a significant way. It really does truly have sort of higher likelihood of going up than down in light of the excellent use case, very much planned tokenomics, genuinely dynamic local area and a strong group behind it. How much will DigitalBits be worth, which in a real sense is very critical. For the most part momentary future, it could essentially reach $0.0007